Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn dimension style. Okay, see the dimensions. When you are going to give the dimensions, then sometime we require to modify the dimensions which are given to our drawing. So that time we are going to use dimension style. Okay, I will show you how to use. This is my drawing. Suppose one circle, then I am going in annotation. Okay, you can click on this arrow or you can type dim style. I will click on that arrow. I will modify the previous. See, in this you can modify the line, symbol, arrow, text, fit, primary unit, alternative unit, and tolerance. Okay, the first dimension line is that is color, line type, line weight. You can change as per your requirement. Then the baseline spacing, I will show you what is the baseline spacing. The spacing between the starting of the dimension line to the your drawing. This is little bit trial and error method. You can use your own. It will available to see how it is looks. You can see in this screen, the black screen showing you the dimensions. Okay, the baseline spacing, then you can extend beyond the dimension line, then how much you want to extend the dimension line, then offset from origin. Okay, you can see the offset. You will increase the baseline. Now it is perfect. Then next is symbol and arrow. You can change the arrow style, closed, dot, architectural, oblique, open. Okay, then that terminal, use arrow, all are available here. Then second is similar, whatever you want. Then leader, which type of leader is you want. Open, box, datum, triangle, integer, or none. Okay, from this you can add anything. Then you can add the arrow size also, that is, see, the dimension lines show you how the arrow will see in your diagram. Then the center mark, at which dimensions, or it will none mark or line. Okay, then dimension break you can use here. You can increase. Then arc, length symbol, then jog angle is 45. Okay, then next text, then how you want to add text, the standard, annotative. Okay, then block color, fill color, this text height, you can increase or decrease your height of text. Then draw frame around text, frame you can around or make a text around your you can make a box around your text. Then alignment of your text, horizontal, align with dimension, ISO standard. Okay, then center, extension line. See, it changes in this window. Okay, I'll make it at center. Now the direction right to left, left to right. Then offset, what much amount offset you want, you can give the offset. Then fit, arrow, text. Okay, the fit options are available in ISO dimension style. Okay, then primary units, you can give the units, that is scientific, decimal, engineering, architectural, fractional, window desktop, scientific, decimal. You can give at what decimal it will be round. I will give the 2. Then engineering, okay, 50 inches, architectural also available, fractional, then desktop, okay, then decimal separator, that is period, comma or space, it is also available, okay, the period. Then round off at what much amount you want to round off, okay, prefix suffix you want to add, then you can add alternative units, display alternative units. You can click on it and it will show you alternative units. And tolerance, that what much amount you want the tolerance, symmetrical, deviation, deviation limit, basic, and the none, okay. This is the annotation tool. Then after all the setting, you just don't forget set current, then only it will be applied to your drawing. And clothes, okay, linear, I will show you. This is the dimension, okay. Okay, this is the dimension. We have removed the point, that's why it will not show you the point. Okay, I'm going to give the point, then modify. Period, okay, set current, close. See, the point will get the point using this option. Okay, hope you understand how to use this tool.